Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this channel is all about crypto education and entertainment, so if you're into this topic, don't forget to drop a comment, leave a like, and subscribe. Also, stick with me until the end of this video to get your bonus. Today we are going to talk about the most recent updates on Momoverse as a way of celebrating 1 year of Mobox. I will give you a short insight of this, so if you want more in-depth details, I will leave the link of this article in the description down below. There are a lot of things to talk about when it comes to the Momoverse, so we are going to start with the Momo World, which is the place where Moboxers can experience a casual and relaxing gaming experience. Next up, we have the Mo profession, and this is where you can choose your role in the Momoverse, because here you can be whatever you want, from collector, farmer, shopkeeper, or even a builder. We also have the Mo Market, which is a revolutionary NFT marketplace which makes trading a breeze. The Mo Social is about resource islands, party farming, guild wars, League of Avatars, and much more. In the Moseum, you can show off your whole NFT collection, and in Moland, you can team up with other players and conquer lands of the Momo World. The most interesting feature is Mobox Creator, where you can design and mint your own assets. Not only that, but you can also sell them in your own shop. I don't know about what you guys think, but this seems like a very bullish news to me. As you guys know, Mobox has one mining camp for now, but the Momoverse will introduce 5 new mining sites, which are the Bird Camp, Beast Camp, Fish, Monster, and Epic Camp. Each of these camps will mine different types of resources. The quality and the hash power of the momos you are going to use for mining resources is really important, because the more hash power you have, the more resource you're gonna get. In Momoverse, you can build your own house with the resources you get from mining. Not only that, but you can also learn how to synthesize materials, and if you do advanced synthesize, you can increase your mastery level, which gives you the opportunity to sell your skills to other players on the marketplace and get rewarded for it. In the Momoverse, the only token used in the marketplace will be Mbox, and when it comes to fees, we have 0% fees when it comes to purchase. We have 5% for sell orders, of which 1.5 will be directed into the guild's reward pool, 2.5 will be directed to the auto buyback and burn pool, and 1% will be directed towards the Momoverse treasury. Houses in Momoverse have their own unique function. You can choose to have a town hall, a lighthouse, a craft house, an airship, or a dockyard. You can also have a cool design to your home or visit your friends' homes. Every player can create their own guild, and the advantage of having a guild is that they share a 30% market fee depending on their prosperity level. Current available guild buildings are Guild City and Market. Mo Social is all about meeting new friends, Hall of Fames, advertisement, and daily tasks. In the Hall of Fame, Momoverse can show you off for 24 hours if you are the first ranked player of the day. When it comes to advertisement, each player can upload their own image or slogan, and even links can be used, and then they can submit a bid for auctioning. The winning bid will be displayed on the billboard until the next winning bid. Completing the daily tasks can claim random quality social resources, which can be traded on the Mo Market. In Moland, you can compete for lands, which is something similar to Sandbox. In the second phase of Momoverse, Mobox will launch the Moboxer Shop, which will allow players to upload MOD modules made by them and designers. These tools can be used to not only change the appearance of game characters, avatars, and items, but also adjust some Momoverse parameters. Mobox will provide subsidies to outstanding creative craftsmanship and content producers and launch them in the Mo Market. Royalties from the sale will be given out to content creators. Starting with the beginning of April, Mobox have decided to have a month-long anniversary event to thank everybody who have supported them. they have decided to do a huge burnout of around 200 million Mobox, which is equivalent to 60% of the first year's output. Also, the amount of Mobox mined through the NFT mining camp will be changed from 200,000 to the half of that. If you've got this far into the video, congratulations, you're already one of the members of this community. And if you want this channel to grow even more than this, give it a like, share, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss a single video from now on. There will also be some Momo NFT farmer adjustments, such as adjusting hash power for rare and epic Momo bonus, and increasing bonus for wallet addresses that hold from 3 to 10 Momos. If you're interested in the Momo hash power bonuses, you can find them in this chart at the end of the article. Mobox will have a partnership with Infinite Game Studio in order to release the War Song of Crusade, which is a medieval fantasy-themed simulation game. Another partnership that Mobox will have will be with eGame Studio. The Meta Fund will focus their investment in tools which will make the access for NFT interoperability easier. Mobox will be launching the new Meta Fund Launchpad to accelerate the Metaverse's growth. The Meta Fund and Mobox community will support these projects through the following initiatives: NFT initial game offering, NFT liquidity farming, integration with the Momoverse, future migration to the Mobox game chain, access to over 3 million registered users, opportunity to work with a team of experienced developers from the Mobox team, and marketing initiatives through Team Mobox's wide network of partners. We expect the first MetaFund Launchpad project to launch in Q2 with over 50 projects who have sent their application and were handpicked by the team. The team is also talking about the decentralized autonomous guild, which is set to launch in Q3 2022. The Mobox chain will focus on the following: near instant interactions, interoperability with other smart chains, scalability, zero gas fees, and easing the onboarding process for gamers. Full technical details will be released by the team in Q4 2022. For staying with us until the end, here is your bonus. Looking at the price action of Mobox BUSD on the daily time frame, we can see that we had a spike on the 12th of March above the downtrend, but it was closed inside it. And today, on the 19th of March, we have another candle above the downtrend, and we are hoping for it to stay there to change the trend. If that happens, I think that one of those two cases will occur. It will either go sideways, then up, or it will go up with small downs. And that's about it for today, guys. Hope this video was useful in some sort of way. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And in case you have any questions or video suggestions, you can just leave them in the comments down below. I will check every single comment. And until next time, I hope you have an amazing day.